Hello, I'm Miss Mary, and I'm back for another great wig review for great wigs under $30. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by and viewing my video. And please subscribe. And if you are a returning subby of mine, thank you. I appreciate you coming back and supporting my channel. But let's get to this wig review. Now, as you know, I did an ultimate wig haul over for Black Friday and Cyber Monday this year. And in that ultimate haul, I bought 22 wigs from 3 different sites. And so far, I did reviews. Well, I already had done a review on one of the units, but I wanted to get her in another color, and that was Brenda. And then I did a review on Truity. And then I did a review on Sienna. So that was number 22, 21, and 20. Now I'm doing number 19. Now, I'm not putting them in any orders of importance. It's just the ones I just decided to do that day. So this will be number 19. And number 19 is Moa. Yes, Moa is a Sis Sister wig. And she has a natural yaky texture. So she's nice and thick. And she is in an A-line H cut. And I have her in a sombre color. And the color is Som RT Rose. So she's a pink wig. Yeah, she looks very pretty. Now, Moa can take temperatures up to 400 degrees. Now, I still have the tag and everything on Moa, and I'm leaving the tag on her because this wig is not for me. I know, I shouldn't even be putting it on, but I wanted to see, you know, do a review on her since I bought her. And I am not fond, I can tell you right now, I am not a big fan of the Cleopatra look, you know, and the bangs, or a lot of wigs with bangs, because they are always too long, and I have to cut them, and they never come out right once I cut them. It's always crooked or a little piece hanging down someplace that I could never get it right. So, anyway, I ordered this one for my daughter because she likes the pink. It's one of 4 units that I ordered for my daughter. So I didn't order one of these for me. So anyway, let's get to the review and see how she is. So she comes well packaged, and I got to keep all this stuff because I'm wrapping her right back up in her netting. And we can see her texture. She is full. She's very, very full. I got a few. Okay, I guess a little bit of shedding from her. So yeah, I did get some, but that could be from her being stored. You know, they be stored and they just have some hairs in there. So this is how she's made. This is her top. That's her closure, nothing fancy. She is a full wig. Let's see her cap construction. Okay. Oh, I'm surprised she has combs. I didn't think she would have combs for some reason. But she has 3 combs. 2 of them are on either side of her bang. And she has 1 in the back. And she has the elastic straps. And the nice aerated cap. Look how, that is some pink hair. I mean, that is very, very pink. So, and it looks like the color on top, which I'm kind of liking, because usually for the sombre, they'll do a number 2 or lighter. This one looked like either a 1 or a 1B, so it's nice and dark. And now I do like that because I think that looks really, really nice against the pink. So let me pop her on now. Now, I haven't adjusted the straps or anything. I'm just putting her on. Well. Okay, we have some work going up in the apartment above me, so excuse any hammering or drilling you may hear in the next few seconds. Okay, now. Okay, I pulled that hair out. All right, so okay, it sounds like they may have stopped with all their, no, he's still up there doing whatever he's doing, but he's not drilling anymore. So, anyway. So, she's cute. I mean, she's very cute. It didn't take probably 3-4 minutes, 5 tops to get her situated, you know. But what I love about her is her bangs. Look at those bangs. And they have pink going through all of them. Even though it seemed like the pink was all over here and then I had to maneuver them into the bang more, but it does have pink going through the bang, which is very nice. And the banger is on point. I mean, you don't have to clip these bangs. These bangs are good. Look at these bangs. I never had a unit that had bangs and you put it on and the bangs were perfect. So this is a big plus for me. And I'm kind of liking myself in this wig. And I told you, I am not a fan of a center part or a bang on me, but I think she's very cute. So let me do a 360 on her. And yeah, let me do a 360 on her. How's that A-line? She's cute, isn't she? Oh my goodness, and I didn't buy one for me because I don't like bangs on me, but I'm loving her. Moa. Oh. When I bought her for my daughter. And look, this part. It doesn't need, it's not combed. I mean, she literally comes out and you just brush her a little and she's good to go. I mean, this is quick. And you know I love quick fashion, glam. Oh, she is just a cutie here. Let me toss this part in behind my ear just to see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. How cute is that? Is that not, oh, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Is that not cute? Moa. And I'm loving this pink. I got my daughter a Trudy in a pink, and I got her this one for Christmas. I'm going to have to order me a Moa. I want Moa. Very, very pretty. The hair is a Yaky texture. But it's nice, it's smooth, it's soft, and she got lots of hair. Look at all that hair. She's very full. So if I wanted to do a messy do, Because I do like a messy do. Let's do a messy mower. Oh, isn't that cute? So this is how she looks messed up. So on those wind-blown days, you can still sport this girl. She is pretty. Very nice. Because you know I like a messy do, so yeah. How cute is Moa? And then you can even see more of her cut, her layers. See those layers come out now? Oh, yes. So you can wear it behind the ear. You can wear it nice and flat, you know. You can puff her up to get more volume out of her. This is too cute. Cute. Oh my goodness. And this is a gift for my daughter. I gotta get online. I gotta get online and find one for me now. Because it's a bang that I can wear. Oh my goodness. So I got Moa from Wig Types and paid $15.48 for this gorgeous unit. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes. $15.48 for Moa at Wig Types. That was a great bargain. So she is so cute. Okay, but I'm going to put all that information in the comment section below. And if you like this video and subscribe and come on back for number 18 in my ultimate wig haul. Oh, so far, they've been pretty good. They've been really cute units for the price. Really, really cute units for the price. I haven't ran into a bad one yet, so let's see how number 18 does me. But anyway, please like this video, and please subscribe, and please come on back for another great wig under $30. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.